Cannot believe it's now been a year since your Aunt Ann passed away, Jbird. It's crazy just how time does fly. And before that, we had the passing of your mom. Both of them big key figures on our show. They were so hysterical, and I would probably even rank, if you had to look at my top 10 favorite moments of the KVJ show, I think every single one involves your mom and your aunt.
I agree.
They were awesome.
Yeah, hysterical moments.
And they didn't even realize how awesome and funny they were. Like, they were just naturally awesome.
I think Ann, towards the end, realized she had pretty good amounts of fans because she would go out. Ann was a very busy older woman. She did not stay in the house. She was always motivated by lunch or food or the grocery store. But she was always out driving around.
Yeah.
And people would come up to her and take pictures with her, and she'd be, I can't believe this. People like me, Jay, but I can't believe this. And it would warm my heart. I always talk about that one guy from Carrabba's. She'd walk into Carrabba's, and I guess he was the manager of the Carrabba's she'd go to, and he would part the sea for her. Like, she was, VIP, and she really,
Mafia Ann.
She loved it.
Yeah,
I
that's
love
great.
that.
Well, she definitely deserved it.
Amen.
This might have been the first bit that we ever did with your Aunt Ann. Maybe still my favorite, the alarm clock bit. We took all these different alarm clocks. You hid them in her room to go off in the middle of the night at like 3 to 5 minute intervals. So give her enough time to get out of bed, find the hidden alarm clock, turn it off, lay down, and then another one would go off.
Well, during this time period, this is right after my mom had passed, so we started kind of redoing the house a bit. So her room was just covered in all these kind of like boxes where you could hide things. So it was really impossible.
So there's a lot of clutter around.
Find them.
So here's how your Aunt Ann reacted when we hid the alarm clocks all over her bedroom.
Oh, she's peacefully sleeping. Oh, it's so abrasive.
Come on. What was this? Who put this here?
Who put this here? Here we go. Round 2.
She's a quiet sleeper.
Yeah. Gentle sleep. Lovely. It's so piercing.
Oh yeah, shut this friggin' thing off.
That's horrible. Here we go. Round 3.
I tell you what you will be understand and what you'll be saying about because God's word reveals it.
Radio clock.
What is going? Come on. This is not funny.
Oh, I disagree.
And she can't find them?
No.
These alarm clocks are set all over her room, and she has no idea where they are?
Well, because it's dark in there first. I mean, it's like a cave.
What time
in there.
is this?
This is about 4 o'clock in the morning. 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning.
And you hid all the alarm clocks.
Yes. I had to do, I mean, this honestly this is like a 6-hour ordeal. And it wasn't cheap because I had to buy all these alarm clocks.
Your Aunt Ann is about to go crazy at this point. Forget the restful sleep.
This isn't funny. This is not funny at all. I'm trying to sleep here. Peter, where are you?
Through it.
Oh, finally. Sleep.
I'm just hiding out, listening to all of this.
Oh my God. Kill myself. Now, where the hell are they coming from? What the hell is this?
Oh, my gosh. It's awful.
Where is it? Please. This is ridiculous. This is not a funny thing at all.
How many
Are you kidding me?
It's got to be like 12.
Oh.
Oh, my. she's just trashing the whole room now. Oh, man.
Oh man! Oh, I love that. Oh gosh!
I think like 75% throughout that she's like, all right, what's going on here? I know something's up here.
Wait a minute.
Oh man! Gosh, and amazing.